Meanwhile, the police are actively searching for two persons of interest in connection with this morning's deadly attack in Denham town. Identified by their aliases Juby and Romy, the men are reportedly members of the Scream Corner gang. Authorities are calling on them to report to the Denham town CIB within the next 24 hours. Assistant Commissioner Michael Phipps, head of the Area 4 Police, stated that preliminary investigations indicate the shooting may be linked to an ongoing turf war between rival gangs.
The Denham town space has been fairly quiet for a pretty good long while, and we were able to, through our efforts, do a number of intervention work within the communities and establish some peace. We see where this have been shattered with the recent shooting and killing of this 3-year-old. We will be going into the area to try and ascertain exactly what may have transpired, but we do know that our early information is suggesting gang rivalry for the control of turf.
ACP Phipps says a 48-hour curfew was imposed in Denham town on Thursday after a shooting in the area on Wednesday involving two rival gangs.